Have you ever noticed that some projects run smoothly from start to finish, while others lose direction halfway through? It is rarely about effort alone. It is about structure. Behind every successful project is a clearly defined life cycle. When you understand that life cycle, you do not just complete tasks, you guide progress, manage uncertainty, and deliver outcomes with confidence. In this video, we explain the life cycle of a project in simple, practical terms so you can understand it clearly and explain it confidently, whether in interviews or in real-world delivery. Most projects, regardless of industry, follow 5 key stages: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closure. Each stage has a distinct purpose, and each builds logically on the one before it. Let's begin with the first stage, initiation. Initiation is where the project formally begins. At this stage, the idea is evaluated, the objective is defined, the business case is considered, stakeholders are identified, and feasibility is assessed. The core question here is simple. Should this project move forward? No detailed scheduling happens yet. Instead, this stage focuses on justification and alignment. It confirms that the project supports strategic goals and delivers real value. The outcome of initiation is clarity, purpose, scope boundaries, and expected benefits. Once the project is approved, the structure becomes essential. That takes us to plan. Planning. Planning transforms intention into structure. Here, the project team defines scope in detail. Tasks are broken down, timelines are established, budgets are estimated, risks are identified, communication strategies are prepared. This stage builds the foundation for controlled delivery. Without proper planning, execution becomes reactive and unpredictable. With it, performance can be measured and managed effectively. Planning provides stability before work begins. With a clear roadmap in place, delivery can begin. Execution. Execution is where the real activity happens. Teams perform the planned tasks, resources are allocated, outputs are created, stakeholders are updated. This stage converts plans into tangible results. However, execution is not simply about completing tasks. It requires coordination, communication, and leadership to ensure the work aligns with defined objectives. This is where collaboration drives progress. But delivering work is not enough. Projects must remain controlled and aligned. Monitoring and controlling. Monitoring and controlling happens alongside execution. Performance is measured against the original plan. Scope, cost, and schedule are tracked. Risks are reassessed. If deviations occur, corrective action is taken. This stage prevents uncontrolled changes and ensures accountability. It answers critical questions. Are we on track? Are we within budget? Are we meeting expectations? Without monitoring, even well-planned projects can drift off course. Finally, every project must conclude formally and professionally. Closure, completing and transitioning. Closure is the final stage of the life cycle. Deliverables are reviewed and formally accepted. Contracts are completed, documentation is archived, lessons learned are recorded, resources are released, and ownership transitions to operational teams or clients. Closure ensures accountability. It confirms that objectives have been achieved and that value has been delivered. A well-closed project strengthens future performance. Life cycle summary. Let's bring it all together. Initiation defines purpose. Planning establishes a structure. Execution delivers outputs. Monitoring safeguards performance. Closure confirms success. These 5 stages form a complete governance framework that transforms ideas into measurable outcomes. The life cycle of a project is not just theory. It is the backbone of successful delivery across industries. When you can explain it clearly, you show that you understand not only how to complete tasks, but how to manage progress with control and confidence. If you would like to deepen your project management knowledge and strengthen your professional capability, explore structured training opportunities at the Knowledge Academy. link in the description. Like, subscribe, and stay ahead with more insights on project management, leadership, and career growth.